Welcome back to our channel Where Creativity. Everyone, today we're diving into the world of creativity and transformation with simple, fantastic wall decoration idea. Walls are often to bank canva for your homes, and with a little imagination, they can become the focal point of any room. Either you are looking to add a Spanish of colors, creating a stunning focal point, or just refresh your space. This video will guide you through a variety of wall decor ideas that are both styles and unique for DIY project to artistic inspirations. We got something for every test to skill level. So grab your tools and let's get started to transforming your wall into wall of art. Let's start with one of the most popular and versatile wall decoration idea, a gallery wall. This is great way to showcase your favorite art pieces, photographs, and even personal memorabilia for the creative gallery wall. Start by choosing the collection. Matching frame or mix match or more electric feels plain for layout and floor before you start hanging to see how two pieces work together. Consider edging some wall to stands for the backyard or add a depth of interest. Once you have a design to mind, use a label and marking tabs to ensure everything in every space and laugh. This project not use a label and marking tab to ensure everything is right, space and elegance. This project not only add a character to your space but also provide a personalized touch and perfect your style. Setup, we have a floating shelves and elegant practical way to display decorative items and keep your walls clutter free. Floating shelves come to various sizes and finishes, and how to choose one of complement your exciting decor. Install them a different highlight to create visual interest and use them to display a mix of items such as books, plants and art pieces. To install floating shelves, start by clothing to study wallet for using to stand feeders. Make for position, you have to drill your holes ensuring they are level. Install the brackets according to their manufacturer's instructions and then pieces the shelves of top. For the cohesive look, arrange your items its group to order members and vary height of the object for display. Floating shelves not only enhance the aesthetic of your wall but also provide a functional storage. Another fantastic way to make a blood testament with a testament wallpaper for the easy way to texture, pattern, color for any room. Testament wallpapers come to wide range of designs from geometric pattern, lush floors. Before applying wallpapers, prepare your wall to cleaning and removing any old adhesive layers and cut the wallpaper to fit your wall. Then apply using wallpaper paste to adheres. Start by the top and work of your way down, smoothing out of humbles with a wallpaper brush and smoothing tools for the seamless looks. Patterns carefully. If you are not ready for a full wallpapers, consider using it. Is not essential for a smaller space like a powder rooms. Treatment wallpaper can dramatically alter a mood of rooms and are perfect for those who want to make a strong design statement. For those how to love hand approach to a wall excellence way to add a personal touch to your space to create custom pieces using materials like wood, canva, or even a recycled. For examples, you make made for abstract pieces, large canva for using frames, a creative rustic wall hanging, and other ideas to create your own geometric wall art. Fabrics to create tapestry or hang a location of vintage paint for charming display. The key of idea wall art to let your creativity shine and choose projects that reflect your personal style. Not only end up for one of kind pieces but also enjoy the satisfaction of creativity yourself. Mirrors are not only functional but also serve as beautiful decorative items. They can make small room appear longer, perfect light to brightness to your space. Consider using large come to various shapes and frames so you can find no fit your styles. Features add your modern, rustic, vintage to hang mirrors using wall enhancer. Ensure you will ensure mounted for the twist to incorporating interior for the gallery wall using mirrored files to create a backships effect. Reflective elements add a depth of elegance to your decor while enhancing your overall ambience for the room. Letter about the gallery walls, versatile, stylish, showcase your favorite and photo. A gallery will can be electric to quoted of your likes if you are fantastic way to display collection to frame the prints. Stay by choosing them to color scheme for complement your rooms decor layout, your frames, and for your floor large tables. Experiment with different arrangement before coming to layout your walls. You can mix the mid-rise styles for a more dynamic looks. Keep your uniform for the more cohesive appearance. Do not forget to include mix of artwork, photographs, even the dimensional object like smart shelves or decorative items. Use a Wells mirroring tabs to show everything is elegant perfectly and consideration using removable wall hooks. You want to avoid making permanent holes. Fabrics wall hanging are the cheap of easy way to add a texture color your walls. You can use anything from parted fabric for women tapstick. You create a striking visual effect to make a simple fabric wall hanging. Start by selecting a piece of fabrics that match your room color scheme. Sketch for fabrics over wooden frames are jowl to secure to place stables for fabrics glue. Hug it on your walls using pictures, hangers, adhesive hooks to more intricate designs. Consider swing to attaching like tassels, warm pop beads, fabrics hanging. Also roll up create your incorporative pattern print that might bold other area to come. Are you have two creative wall decoration ideas to elevate your space to make your walls work of art of view? From gallery walls and DIY arts of floating shelves, details, fabrics hanging, there are countless way to personalization your home to make truly your own. It hope the ideas have inspired you to get creative, transform your walls and focal point to your decor. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so never miss and enjoy this video. To see your wall decoration, so here your photos and ideas in this comment below to tag your social media. Thanks for watching and happy decorating. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.